Yo, what's up? It's your boy Taylor, and today, yo, what's good? I can never find a good intro. My hair looks fucking crazy. Hold on. Minecraft, a game that we all used to play as a kid, but now I want to play it because I'm a kid. To just show you the world scale. So I call this base Shiganshina from Attack on Titans, and then the walls are Walmaria. Reason why is because I literally just had an opinion, and I love Attack on Titans. Still love it. Everything. So I don't know if you see all this right here. So the whole thing is the fact is I'm trying to empty it out, and this job is going to be extremely hard and very painful. And I know the fact is, why do I have a shitty mic? It's Smart Arctic headset. I don't know why it has a shitty mic, but the quality of the headphones are great. My microphone is not currently working right now. It's not registering on my PC, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna wing it. So I'm just gonna try to use this and try something new. Even though it might sound shitty, but I'm sorry. So I only got a sort of the parts out, and let's just say that it's not the best. Say that's not the best, but so I got this part out, and also
light work, no reaction.
So I got only that part out, and the whole point is to get everything. I'm very pissed off because it's gonna take so long. So at this point, I'm just like, I want to either build a beacon, like, because I'm trying to build a custom beacon. I'm trying to just completely fucking destroy all this water, but I don't know how to besides the whole entire sponge thing, and I fucking hate it so bad, and it's annoying. I just don't want to do it, but I know I gotta do it and everything. But, okay, now, alright, let's see. So put the sponges in there. Don't give a shit about those. Fuck this stupid. Bro, I don't. Shoulder boxes. Alright, dude, stop. I don't care. Really want to test things out? Fucking burn. It's not wanting to burn, whatever. Alright, so the blocks I actually definitely do need, and this is all of these. And I do know I need glass. I need glass, so I definitely do need that. I know I have one purple glass somewhere. Okay, so I do have 5. Okay. I thought I had more, but alright, okay. So the whole thing, I have a tutorial to do it. It's not like I'm gonna do it from my brain, because I definitely want to do like the around shit. My only thing is just like, I don't know, like, I don't know where exactly to place it. Like, is this fine? Like, you know? Alright, let's see if it reaches all the way over here. If it does, then I'll just build it. If it does, I'm gonna be pissed, because I'm like, dude, are you serious? Okay, it reaches. Alright, what about, we're gonna do here. Alright, so I assume it's not reaching over here. Yes, okay, it's not reaching all the way over here. Is there a spot that it does reach? Okay, it reaches right here. So, I guess I'm just gonna build it right here. Okay, well first I need a fucking crafting table. Hell was I fucking thinking, you know? Okay. Ow. Okay, so they say to put that... Put that there to make it purple, obviously. Then you put, polished blackstone. So just... I'm like kind of playing in a different FOV. It's kind of stupid, but yeah. Just gonna have to do this. The lead.
My goofy uncle was holding me captive and forcing me to watch Crispy Concord's videos.
No!
My buddy, Quint alias Barnacle James Jr. got smacked in the head with a rhinoceros horn because he was listening to No Maiden.
Alright, I don't like how this FOV is. I cannot see Minecraft correctly. Alright, so boom. it's like actually this spot, this kind of is like my version of it a little bit. I'm gonna do this. I don't care, I'm doing this. I don't need to have two up, I really don't. So that, okay, that actually makes it 10 times, that makes it 10 times easier and better. Do this. Dude. Fuck. Okay, so then you do that. Motherfucker. Okay. Does this side have... no, it doesn't. Okay. So now what I have to do is I have to, get more of these. Why the fuck does it not let me do it? 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. I gotta do 4, but I get 4. Okay, now that's done. Alright, so build. I believe you just build that. Oh god, my hair's a fucking mess, dude. Wish I had a hair tie. I should have asked my mom for a hair tie. So I believe you just do this on all the sides, everything like that. So, son of a bitch. Okay, I have to get up in there. Alright, so I believe you just do that, and that, and then you just build, where the fuck is it? And then you just build the blocks like this over it. Okay, so then, okay, so build the other stuff on top right here. What else? Voice crack. Motherfucker. And then I'm gonna lose this there, am I? No! I did too much. I forgot I have a super fast pickaxe. So put that there. Put it upside down. And I think they just did it like that. Okay. And then this again. Then one more stair there. Okay, so I believe that's how you do it. So I believe it just says repeat that. So repeat that process 3 times. Alright guys, we're gonna make the biggest, you know what, actually? We're gonna make the best project ever, guys. You know what? We're gonna make the best project ever. Like, we're gonna, okay? Like, we're gonna make the best project ever, like, I'm telling you, okay? Masterpiece, masterpiece. Give it up for me. Whoa, hold up. Yeah, masterpiece, bro. Give it up for me. The best piece of work in art ever have been created on this world. Okay, back to the work.
What the fuck?
And there we go. That's pretty dope. And then we'll do another view from it. So it looks like this. Like an orb in the middle. So now what I'm actually going to do is, video aside from the actual video I was watching, I'm actually going to do a little bit of creativity myself. So I'm going to probably just Alright, well, I'm officially done with one beacon. I still have multiple others to make, but it actually looks good. Okay, that actually does look pretty cool. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not gonna lie, that actually does look pretty cool. I like that, honestly. But the only thing is, I feel like they nerfed the time, or how like long it stretches out So let's see how far it stitches out from here. This better be more than that. I was about to say, it better be more. Why doesn't it not reach all the way over here? That's just stupid. I feel like it's just only, like, I don't fucking know. And then the other project I'm supposedly supposed to do, how long an area up with like you know, like village stuff wise, but also kind of keep a gap between it because I'm also trying to build, I'm trying to get rid of all the water so it looks like a full ass fucking crater, and these are like floating fucking islands of just, these are supposed to be floating islands and everything. Floating islands of these. So I like that design. I think I'm just gonna honestly do it there. Get this video uploaded and shit. And hope you guys enjoyed with this video, Minecraft video. Honestly don't know what else to say. I still gotta probably edit this for like another like 2 hours or something. I don't know, man. But that really was including of this and everything. I did display. I did not do game capture, did I? I did not do game capture. That's funny. I did. I thought I did game capture, not this shit. It doesn't matter. Anyway, well, that was me, and I'm just gonna catch y'all in the next video if I make one. So, peace.